Well, it finally happened. You have mold. What are you going to do now? The professionals can't make it out for 2 whole days, and you have your family, your pets, and your own safety to worry about. Well, there's a couple things we could do to mitigate this. Behind this door, we found mold. Verifiable, testable mold. It's there. The very first thing we do is make sure this door stays closed, make sure windows are closed inside so there's no possibility for ventilation and spores to come in. Leave this door closed. There's a few things that you might have laying around the house, and if you don't have it at the house, you could easily stop by any hardware store to pick it up. Main thing, tape and plastic. Any kind of plastic should do, but the thicker the better for this type of tape. This is just regular painter's tape. Cheap, pre-cut this plastic for the sake of the videos. You can see how rudimentary containment in just a matter of about a minute. Gonna add some extra tape here to reinforce and make sure it doesn't come down and make sure no spores could come through any loose crack. Now, the room has been successfully sealed off from the rest of the house. Avoid running the AC. Like I said, keep windows closed and avoid entry into this room if at all possible. If for some reason you do need to enter the room, also sold at most hardware stores, this is a zipper with an adhesive backing. Very simple. Remove the adhesive backing, place it on a piece of plastic, and make a slit directly behind it. This in and out of the affected area. Now, waiting for the professionals to come can seem like it takes forever, but with these steps, you can minimize the potential for safety and mold hazards.